Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to see your GCash referral code. Alright, let's begin. First, open the GCash app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, tap on the View All Services option located in the center of your screen. Scroll down until you reach the Enjoy section, and under this section, select Jobs. This is where you can refer jobs to your friends and earn points or money through GCash. Once you're in the Jobs section, look for the Referral option, which should be the third option listed. Scroll down to find instructions on how to refer jobs. First, explore the job listings by tapping on them to find various opportunities across different industries. After reviewing the job descriptions, think of suitable contacts you can refer these jobs to. To refer a friend, enter their name and email address, then tap Refer. Your referred candidate will receive an email notification to apply easily. If your referred candidate gets hired, you can earn rewards through GCash. So that's basically how you can see your GCash referral code. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.